Okay, so today we are going to take a look at my backpacking cook kit. So if you're interested in seeing the full loadout, stay tuned. Okay, this is the Toaks titanium 550 ml pot, and I keep the little gas canister right here on top of it. It has this little cinch cord right here that's used to cinch this little mesh holder case that it comes in, and I just kind of use it for that. It just makes it really convenient to hold everything together nice and tight. Once you uncinch it, you can just pull that fuel canister right off the top and then remove this mesh bag that it comes in. So it does have a lid, little lid here, and then it has this little place where you can move this over so you can pull it off the top so you don't burn your fingers. It does lock into place. If you push it all the way over, it will lock into place, and you can get that off of there. Also on the top of the lid, it has 3 little holes, drain holes on it. It does have little indentations for this to sit nice and tight on the top. It's not super tight, but it's enough that it's just not going to fall off so easily. If you turned it upside down, it would just fall off though. On the outside of this pot, it does have 2 folding handles. You can fold those out so you can easily hold it just like that. Okay, I've got quite a few contents in this little container here for this cook kit. So let's go through them. For eating utensil, I have a Toaks titanium spork, and this does just fold over just like that. It packs down super small. And then once you get it into here, you can just push this little piece here and it tightens it up nice and tight, keeps it together. So that's my eating utensil. I do have an extra carabiner in here just in case I want to put it on that string for the mesh bag and hang it up. Also, I have a few redundancy safety items. This is kind of like a surefire material. I got 4 packages of it. It's not really in here meant to cook, although you could use it to start a fire to cook with. I kind of use it more like if I needed to start a fire, if it was a hypothermia type situation. This is just kind of another area where I pack this redundancy. Okay, so the next thing I have here, I've got this little kind of sil nylon container. These spork came in this, but I've kind of repurposed it for other items. So let's get inside of here and I'll show you what's in here. Okay, let's see. All right, so I've got Bic Mini right there. Another Bic Mini right there. I like my redundancies. Okay, and then I also have a little striker for like a ferro rod in there. I think I did have a ferro rod in this at one time, but I think I took it out, so I'm not sure where that's at right now. So the next thing that I bring in my cook kit is I always bring some tin foil. This is nice to have. You can use it to break the wind. If there's kind of a windy day, you can put this kind of around it and fold it out. Or it also doubles as, just say you didn't have a lid top or you wanted to go a little lighter and get rid of that, you could just use this to top on the top of your pot. So that's always a good item to have. And then since this is a titanium pot, if I wanted to use it to drink after I boiled water, like at my hot coffee, I got this little hot lips piece here that you can put on the edge of it, just like that, so you don't burn your lips. Okay, so there's this last item in here. Oh, my BRS. This is the topper for the stove itself. Little BRS stove here. Super cool little stove. So small. Let's see. There we go. Just like that. Why don't I put it on the top of the stove for you so you can kind of see exactly what it looks like. So there you go, BRS stove. And then that's what it looks like with that on the top. Boom. Just like that. So that's really the contents of my backpacking cook kit. At the time this was filmed, April 8th, 2020, the BRS stove is going online for $16.95. The Toaks titanium spork is going for $8.95. And the Toaks titanium 550 ml mug is going for $29.95. So those are the prices of the core of that cook kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Take care and have a good weekend.